Now with the DX7 you've got I think there's 3 ways of altering the gain on the gyro. What you can do is if you switch on and select your model, and then you go down to the input select menu, you can see the gear channel can be altered to inhibit, gear, aux2 or gyro. Now since you've got your wire connected from your gyro onto the gear channel on the receiver, we'll do the gyro setting with this mode first. So you select that, back to your model, and then you'll find is you scroll through, you'll have gyro sense menu. So basically this allows you to use the rudder switch and the throttle hold or rudder switch on the top. Well, if you're using throttle hold you don't want to be using this, but this will allow you to set up your gyro in the 2 modes. So for the top one, 0, if you go under 50 or about 35 you'll be in rate mode, and then if you select position 1 you can then move it up, it's around about 70% to start with, and then adjust the suit to stop any wag again. So that's one switch. You can change the rudder switch to auto sensing, which brings the flight mode up, similar to the DX6i. So your flight mode switch now switches between the 2, so you start off in normal, go to flight mode 1, flight mode 2, you'll be in head hold. Again, you can adjust the your flight mode settings, so even in normal mode you'll be in position 1, so you'll always be in head hold. So that's the second way of adjusting your rate for your gyro. And the third way, if you switch off and then switch back on, select your model again, select your gear channel and put that to gear. Go back into your model selection and you'll notice that you haven't got the gear or gyro menu, which is normally there between Revo Mix and Mix 1. So you haven't got a menu now to adjust your rate on your gyro. So what we'll do is we go through to travel adjust and then select your gear switch. Now your gear switch then, you can see is it alters between the 2. Nice bike. Fat boy, never mind. So anyway, you've got the you then adjust your gear travel. So these are both 100%. So you've now got 100% adjustment on each of the modes. So you've got 100% in rate mode or 100% in head hold mode. Basically, if you connect up and you see your gyro and you switch on and off, you'll see the LED on your gyro going on or off. If it's off, you're in rate mode. If it's on, you're in head hold mode. So then it's just a case of adjusting the percentage to get whichever setting is nice and stable for your helicopter to stop any wag or drift in rate mode and wag in head hold mode. So basically that's all you need to know for the gyro. You just set it at 1 at 71, at say 30, and then you can go down between that and then adjust. If you've got lazy Susan or something like that, you can test your gyro. If not, just ease it up gently on the floor. So a smooth flow is good because it allows the helicopter to move a little bit without causing any friction or drag. And if you have training gear, you can always put the training gear on to act as like a set of wheels to allow it to spin back and forwards. So basically that's how I have my travel adjust settings to adjust the rate on the gyros, which uses your gear channel, which is connected to your receiver. So, well, I hope this helps, and sorry it took so long, mate, but there you go.